geographic, cultural, political and economic relation of English made it the most widely used language in the world and gave it the status of an international language. It is used as a mother tongue or first language in the UK, USA, Ireland, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. In India, Pakistan, Singapore, Malaysia, Nigeria, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe and in other African countries, English is used as the second language, L2. And in South American countries and Japan, China, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, UAE, Yemen, Egypt, Eritrea, France, Germany, Switzerland, Russia and other European countries, it is used as a foreign language. Teaching of English, New Dimensions. This is a book, it focuses on these points. And then ICT integrated ELT classroom can be a panacea to tackle the nuances of code mixing and code switching in rural India. So we have to integrate it. Without that, without acceptance to new media, we will never be able to sort these problems. There is a book, English Language Teaching at World Wide Web, ELT at www. A major volume dedicated to the role of technology in the area of ELT. Multiple papers by various researchers infer that internet is not a new thing in modern life, as millions of people are using it for various purposes. More prominently at present, it has become an integral part of education. It offers easy access to a wide variety of information resources, almost a virtual library. Internet is the virtual library. For physical access of this library, I need to have a membership card, I need to permission of the librarian, I need to visit here. And this is aptly placed to discuss this problem symbolically, that if I am having mobile library, e-library, m-library, and then I am having access of it, it can open the, you can say, new vistas to access the knowledge. And for that purpose, you can say ICT is the window. Windows are real windows to the knowledge. And later on, 21st century educational scenario requires the English teachers to be facilitator, inspirer and promoter of the students, learning which may help them construct knowledge in their own way. They are highly demanded to come up and live with the expectation of the changed educational ethos in order to grow, sophisticate and refine the various and parameters of their professional life. Later on, so many things. For instance, I would like to quote some journals where we can access for good quality material related to ELT. Reading professional and research literature of journal, both offline and online, such as T-Zone Quarterly, ELT Journal, ASEAN EFL Journal, even Forum we discussed, JLT Journal, English Teaching Forum and British Council English Teaching Professional, ETP Magazine and IATEFL Voices, T-Zone Arabia, Perspective, ELT Voices India, ELT Quarterly, the Indian Journal of English Studies, Language in India, ELTI Research Journal of Literature, etc. enable language teachers to gain awareness of what is currently happening in the fields of ELT all over the world and to construct new knowledge about teaching and conducting classroom researches. Apart from this, I would like to get a Social Science Citation Index journal. This is the Thomson-Reuters list provided for social science. A few good journals, English for specific purposes by Pragman, Elsewhere Science Limited. English Historical Review by Oxford University Press, England. English in Australia by AATE, Australian Association of Teaching English, Australia. English in Education by Willie Blackwell, England. English Language and Linguistics by Cambridge University Press, England. English Teaching Practice and Critique by Emerald Group of Publishing, New Zealand. English Today by Cambridge University Press, England. English Worldwide by John Benjamin Publishing Company, Netherlands, and many more may help enhancing the knowledge and furthering the competence level of the trainers as well as trainees. Then methodology of this study. Methodology of the study on the rich foundation of the comprehensive literature review of the study strives to filter intellectual nanoparticles. I want to filter intellectual nanoparticles from random but wisely collected samples with an objective to reach out handful of micro-suggestive inferential observations by voicing venture into the ocean of complexity that nowadays ELT professionals are exposed to. The study also assesses the social impact of technological development that is significantly changing the paradigm of English studies in India, in particular, and the world in general, in the colonial and post-colonial perspective. Focusing on English studies in India, and finally aims to developing strategies to minimize industry institute Gulf in India. In backdrop of Indian social discourse, I'll go sometimes. I am not going to read the complete.
You're running short of time.
Yeah. This one, see, only like I'll not be reading.
No, we want a summary.
Yeah, that's 3 minutes.
Line by line.
Please provide me the time that is provided by the chief.
We all have limitation of time.
Yeah. So I'll be winding it. I'm not reading the complete. Particular word in general. This is just only methodology history. And then
Actually, we could have a better idea of you and we could benefit
discussing.
line
So,
by line reading is
I'm not reading complete paper. I am concerned. So, social discourse where instead of class, caste, gender, society seems to be categorized in 3 segregational sets of social digital divide. That will be high-tech, low-tech and low-tech societies and other emerging markets. Then there is a survey conducted. I am not going to read again. Only 3-4 findings part, key findings. Around 3/4 of engineers do not have spoken English skills required for any job in knowledge economy. 75%. 97% of engineers of India cannot speak English required for jobs in corporate sales, business consulting. Around 61% engineers possess grammar skills no better than a class 7 student. Female score over male in written English, while male show better spoken element. Not more than 7.1% engineer can speak English with fluency. That renders speech meaningful. Pronunciation and fluency are the major barriers in effective spoken English. I'm cutting short and then finding of the study. Aptly sleeping on the present global situation, Professor Shyam Singh Sasi points out that social development are the basic to the development of a happy and well-adjusted man. Those are also the forerunners of all other developments which take place in the sphere of man. But today an enigmatic situation has emerged. Scientific and technological development has surpassed the social development. And later on, observing that we are living in a world of technology and the tools of technology are irresistible. While the society blames the technology for distraction of our students and youngsters from their responsibilities, it is high time that educationists should start exploiting the computer mania of the students for their own betterment. Many institutions install language labs for effective communication. It is good. A creative teacher should use computer and internet for classroom activity. Since the students are so fond of working with the computer and browsing, even if they are jumping over in the on Facebook during classroom activities, we can promote them to work like instead of essay writing. We suppose that we are giving some essay writing assignment and they are not interested. We should say take up current topic and assemble them and say let us write a blog together and post together. Let us see what impacts and what comments we are going to get. And this exactly I do. I have a orator society. This is practical part I am doing at my place. And there we discuss all. And they do blogging and all that immediately, simultaneously. And even they go for recording the lectures and sharing all that. And that collaborative running as student coordination. Professionally, English.
We're going to have to wrap this up. So what are some questions or concerns that maybe don't have about the paper?
during